Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Bluetooth driver disappears after every restart or sleep on Windows 11. So in this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue step by step. First of all, what you can do is you can open the control panel from here. And once you open the control panel from here, you need to go to power options. And once you go to the power options, go to your power plan like this. Then click on change. Turn off hard disk. After you need to set is never, and once you set it never, just go to sleep after, and if it is saying 30 minutes, that is up to you, but I have chosen it 30 minutes. So choose this option and then click on processor power management. Choose the maximum power state to 100% and also plugged in. Then click on apply, then click on OK, and also go back once. Choose what power Choose what closing lid does and untick the fast startup option from here. If it is stick like this, you need to untick this and then you need to save the changes. And once you save the changes, see if that is able to fix our issue or not. If still not, what we can do is we can open the Windows services here as administrator and press B on your keyboard and look for these three services: Bluetooth support service, Bluetooth audio gateway service, and this service. These three services, and make sure automatic startup is selected here. If not, double click and make it to automatic. Click on apply, OK. Also choose this set to automatic, then click on apply, OK, and restart all the services here. Three services. And once you see this, once you do that, it should able to fix the issue. If still not working, what we can do is simply open the command prompt and type this command: sfc scan sfc space /scan now. This will fix the Windows corruption in your Windows and will fix the issue. So this is the fix, and if this is also not working, then you can open the device manager again and look for the update to driver. Click on update drivers, then click on search automatically, and even you can choose the older driver as well if that driver was working fine on your computer, and you should able to fix your issue now. Additionally, you can go to the manufacturer website and install the BIOS driver for your computer. So this is the fix the issue guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.